Hey everyone. The learning objective that I chose is to discuss why the transfer of learning is an important concept for motor learning. And it's actually super important in motor learning. But it might not sound like so deep at first. But like think about it this way. Like have you guys ever picked up like a new skill, like learning how to play basketball or soccer or whatever, and notice that it kind of helps with other stuff? Like maybe your hand-eye coordination for catching stuff got better. That's what we're talking about when we talk about, transfer of learning. It's when skills, knowledge, or abilities you have help you learn new stuff faster. And it's pretty cool. So this concept is a big deal because we're not just talking about one skill in isolation. Transfer of learning is all about taking what you know and using it in new situations. So, for example, let me bring up soccer. Let's say you learn how to dribble a soccer ball. If you picked up a basketball, a lot of balance, coordination, and focus you've already learned from soccer is going to come in clutch when you start dribbling there. So you're transferring those skills and saving yourself time and effort. No one really wants to start from scratch and start all over, right? No. Now, in motor learning, we break down transfer into two main types. There's positive and there's negative. Positive transfer is the one you really want. It's when a previous skill helps you with the new one, like going from soccer to basketball dribbling. Then there's a negative transfer, which is the one you don't want, and that's when an old skill messes you up. Like when tennis players try out badminton, tennis players might swing hard out of habit, and that shuttlecock flies all over the place. It's like the skill transfer backfired, but that's still part of the learning process. So why is it important? It's important because coaches, teachers, and even us as learners, if we know about transfer, then we can use it to our advantage. When we understand how skills are connected, we can train smarter and not harder. Imagine you're trying to learn snowboarding, but you already skateboarded. A coach can lean into that, showing how you can bring over balance skills, stance, and board control, making it way easier for you to do it. Knowing how to leverage this is a game changer. So, just to wrap it all up, in a nutshell, transferring of learning is like hacking the system. It's reusing what you've already learned to make picking up new skills faster and smoother. And once you know about it, you can start spotting it where it shows up in your own life. Like, oh, I already know that this is from that. And it's all connected. And that's what makes learning so powerful. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you.